If you are using Adobe Premiere Pro and getting storage full on your PC, if you are having trouble with memory full problem, and if you don't know how you can clean up cache files created from Adobe Premiere Pro on your PC and increase memory space on your PC, in this video, I'm showing you how to clean up Adobe Premiere Pro cache files on your PC. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to clean up my PC. For increased memory space on our PC, first of all, we need to search for Adobe Premiere Pro cache files. So now I'm going to open Documents folder, library of my PC. And then I'm going to open Adobe folder. And you can see here is one folder of Adobe Premiere Pro. Now I'm going to open this folder. And you can see here one folder of Adobe Premiere Pro videos previews files. This folder size is 9.68 GB right now. And now I'm going to insert this folder. And here, 3 folder has been created of my project file. So now I'm going to open this one. As you can see, these all files are cache file that rendered from Adobe Premiere Pro. And I'm going to back, and as you can see, these all folders are cache file folder that created from Adobe Premiere Pro. And we can delete all these folder and files from Adobe Premiere Pro video previews folder. So now I'm going to delete this folder from here. Okay, now I'm going to open this 14.0 folder. And as you can see, this is also rendered cache file that created from Adobe Premiere Pro. So we can also delete this file from here. All files size is 5.35 GB. So now I'm going to select and delete this render cache file from here. Okay, as you can see, here is one folder is also Adobe Premiere Pro video previews folder. So we can delete all the rendered cache file from here. So now I'm going to delete this folder. And I'm come back here, and as you can see, this is the folder of Adobe Premiere Pro audio previews folder. So here you can see all rendered audio cache file is here. So we can delete all this audio previews file from here. Press Ctrl A from my keyboard and right click here, and I'm going to delete all audio cache file from my folder. And now I'm come back here in Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe folder. And now I'm going to this PC, and you can see here now, and you can see here my memory space has been increased right now. And now I'm going to minimize this window and right click on recycle bin, and now I'm going to emptying my recycle bin. And I'm come back to this PC, and as you can see, now finally fully increased memory space in C drive on my PC. And now you can also use your previous library file on your Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can render and create a new video file from your previous project file safely. So you can also clean up your PC that trouble with your Adobe Premiere Pro software. I hope you understand this video and it's helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another video. Till the next video, bye bye, namaste.